Can credit repair remove bankruptcies? Phoenix AZ. Can credit repair remove bankruptcies? Credit repair refers to the process of improving one's credit score and credit history. This is done by identifying and correcting errors in a person's credit report and taking steps to improve their credit behavior. Bankruptcy is a legal process in which a person is relieved of their debt obligations. It is a serious step that has a significant impact on a person's credit score and financial well-being. While credit repair can help improve a person's credit score and financial situation, it cannot remove bankruptcies from their credit report. Bankruptcy information remains on a person's credit report for 7 to 10 years, depending on the type of bankruptcy filed. The information is reported by the courts and the credit bureaus and is considered to be public record. Credit repair companies may make promises to remove bankruptcies from credit reports, but these promises are false and misleading. The only way to remove a bankruptcy from a credit report is to wait for the information to age off or to dispute the accuracy of the information with the credit bureaus. However, it is possible for credit repair to help a person recover from the negative impact of bankruptcy. By improving a person's credit behavior and addressing any errors on their credit report, credit repair can help a person gradually improve their credit score. This can make it easier for them to access credit and financial services in the future. It's also worth noting that even if a bankruptcy is removed from a person's credit report, their credit score may still be impacted by other negative information, such as late payments or high balances. Improving their credit behavior, paying bills on time, and reducing their debt can help mitigate the negative impact of bankruptcy on their credit score over time. In conclusion, while credit repair cannot remove bankruptcies from credit reports, it can help a person recover from the negative impact of bankruptcy on their credit score. Improving their credit behavior and addressing any errors on their credit report can help them gradually improve their credit score and financial well-being. It is important for people to understand the limitations of credit repair and to be wary of companies that make false promises about removing bankruptcies from credit reports.